India, known as the land of spirituality and philosophy. It is the birthplace of many religions, and Sikhism is one such faith. Sikhism is India's fourth largest religion and has existed for more than 547 years, beginning with the birth of its founder, Guru Nanak Dev. Sikhs are predominantly located in the state of Punjab in North India. It is also the fifth largest religion in the world, with more than 30 million followers. Sikhs adhere to long-standing and strict practices and traditions to strengthen their faith. Hula Mahalo is a festival where they express their faith as well as showcase their military origins. The history of Hula Mahalo dates back to the early 18th century when Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Sikh Guru, and his force were at war with the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb and the Rajputs simultaneously. Eventually, on the 22nd of February 1701, Guru Gobind Singh started a new tradition of dedicating a day towards mock fights and poetry contests. The event was held in Holgarh Fort, across the rivulet Charan Ganga, northwest of Anandpur Sahib. Since then, the tradition of practicing mock battles gradually spread to Kiratpur Sahib near Anandpur Sahib, as well as other Gurdwaras across the globe. Started by Guru Gobind Singh, Hula Mahalo is celebrated a day after the Hindu festival of Holi. Apparently, the name Hula is the masculine form of the term holy. While the vibrant Holi festival involves playing with colour, Hula Mahalo takes the form of demonstrating martial skills in simulated battles. Celebrated across the world, the largest scale festivities are observed in Anandpur Sahib annually. Early morning prayers at the Gurdwaras mark the beginning of the festival. The Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs, is brought out with ceremony and placed on the dais. It is given a symbolic bath with milk and water. Akhand Paats, Kar Seva, Shabads and Kirtans are performed on this day. Kada Prasad is distributed to the congregation after it has been blessed. At noon, men and women from all castes and creeds eat together at the Guru Ka Langar. Stories are narrated about the bravery of Guru Gobind Singh in prose as well as verse.
Shri Anandpur Sahib di pavan dharti jithe aj Hula Mahalo Sahib Shri Guru Gobind Singh ji ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ 1700 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਲਾ ਮਹੱਲਾ ਦੀ ਪਰੰਪਰਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਪੰਥ ਦੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ 1699 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਾਲਸੇਪਨ ਦੀ ਸਾਜਨਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਨੰਦਪੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਨ ਧਰਤੀ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਕੇਸਗੜ੍ਹ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿਖੇ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 1700 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਹੋਲਾ ਮਹੱਲਾ ਮਨਾਉਣਾ ਕੀਤਾ.
Colorful processions are organized on the occasion of Hula Mahalo. On this day, Sikhs, especially the Nihangs, hold tournaments of military skills, including mock battles. The most spectacular event at the Hula Mahalo is the magnificent procession of Nihang Sikhs on horses and elephants and on foot, carrying a variety of traditional and modern weapons and demonstrating their skill in using them. Tourists and visitors are served with traditional meals called langars, prepared by the local people as part of community service or kar seva. The pilgrims are served food while being seated in neat rows on the ground known as pangats. The Hula Mahalo festival is unique and distinguishable from other festivals in that the Nihangs have tried to preserve the traditional form and content as established during its inception and strictly observed by the Akalis for more than 3 centuries. The martial arts exhibited by the Nihangs provide a picture of their skills and traditions to visitors. Because of its great historical, socio-religious and military significance, the Hula Mohalla festival can impressively contribute to a greater awareness of Sikh heritage as well as foster development of community tourism. Hula Mohalla is celebrated to reaffirm fraternity and brotherhood and to remind people of valor and defense preparedness, concepts very dear to the 10th Guru of the Sikhs, Guru Gobind Singh.
Thank you.